Another really cool and easy design that you could use with the Manicue Color Glitter Gel Kit is a tortoise effect. I'm going to show you guys how to take 3 existing colors with the Canvas 101 and show you how to pump this design out with ease. Watch this. I'm going to use my magic wand to push the cuticle area back and use the bladed side to loosen up any protein growth on the natural nail. Once we're done doing that, I'm going to use my sponge buffer and gently remove shine from the surface of the natural nail. Once I am done doing that, I'm going to use Swipe to cleanse any dust, oils, and contaminants from the surface, and this is going to prepare us for protein bond application. I'm now going to take protein bond and apply a nice, thin, even coat at the free edge of the natural nail. This is going to ensure that you're not going to have any chipping at all. We're now ready for application. I'm going to take a nice, even coat of Manicue base. And again, I'm going to get it off one side of the brush, and I'm going to use a nice, even floating method to get it down from cuticle to free edge in multiple strokes. Once we get it on, nice and even, I'm going to go inside the light again for the suggested 30 seconds. The great thing about this light is it'll turn off by itself. Once the light turns off, again, we're going to take Manicue Top, like we're doing an overlay, and apply a nice thin coat from cuticle to free edge. We find the glitter press works a lot better on the top than the base. Once you get it on, you're gonna go inside the light, and again, give it that quick 30-second cure. Once the Manicue Top is cured, we are now ready for our press. But before that, we need to create our custom color. We're going to take Royal Red, and we're gonna go heavy on Royal Red. We're going to take a dash of Sakura Storm and a dash of Diamond Dust. Now, we're going to roll it, and this will create a very well mixed glitter. You can see how rich the mix is. Once we've created this mix, we are now ready for our glitter press. We're going to use our makeup brush, and we're going to gently press into the surface, covering all areas of the enhancement. Once we have pressed it on, we're now going to use our brush to smooth it out. This is going to create that metallic type effect. Once it is completely smooth, we're going to use our Manicue Top and apply a nice thin coat from cuticle to free edge. We're going to get it inside the light. We're going to set it for 30 seconds. Once the top has cured, we're now going to set ourselves up for the tortoise shell effect. The first thing I'm going to do is take Manicue Top and place a dab on a nice flat surface. We are now going to take a thin coat of Canvas 101. I'm going to brush it through. And again, I want to try to take off a lot of the product off of my brush. We want to be able to apply almost a very sheer coat from cuticle to free edge. I'm using a lot of pressure to create that sheer look. I don't want to float. I want to press it down, as you can see. And I'm going to use the bladed side of the magic wand. And what we're going to do is start adding dots to the surface. As you can see, this is going to create the tortoise shell effect. I'm going to get it inside the light and set it for 30 seconds. Once the light goes off, we're going to use swipe and we're going to remove the dispersion layer from the surface. We're going to use our sponge to clean up our edges, and we're going to use a little bit of rose oil around the cuticle area and hyponychium to condition the natural nail. As you can see, we set ourselves up for a really, really cool